Hey folks, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dark Matter Sentry streaming mic. This is a USB microphone that you connect to your computer. Great for streamers, for gamers, or even if you're just doing Zoom calls. What makes it unique is it has different pickup patterns that are easy to access and LED lights. So sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, folks. So here's the Sentry streaming mic in my home office, and that's really what I like about it. It's a nice functional design. It looks like a microphone. It's got a great feet on there that are adjustable to get the right angle that you want. Doesn't take much real estate space, but it is highly effective. It's got LED lights in the bottom there, as you can see. There's a mode button right in the middle, and that really allows you to go through the different pickup patterns. So you got basically stereo pickup patterns, you got your lateral pickup patterns, omnidirectional pickup patterns. Basically, whatever pickup pattern you need, you're going to be able to get it at the click of a button. Now, I mentioned that there are LED lights. You can actually change the colors of those lights, and the way to do that is from the bottom. You'll notice that there is a little button, kind of hard to reach with the stand on, but you press that button and you can toggle between different color lights. And it really looks good at nighttime, even though I'm doing this review now. I mentioned it is a USB-C mic, so all you have to do is put it into a USB port, select it as your audio interface, and you're going to be able to use it for Zoom calls and stuff. And I really love just the way it looks. It doesn't take much real estate on your desk, but it's going to give you great audio. You could put headphones attached to it, adjust the volumes and the levels for the mic just on the front. So very user friendly. You don't have to be an audiophile to be able to use this, and you're going to really improve the audio of your videos or whatever you're doing, making or doing Zoom calls. Now, in terms of the audio quality, well, you just have to listen to my voice to know how it sounds like, because I'm recording this audio using the Sentry streaming mic by Dark Matter, this Monoprice mic. So if you like the way that my voice is sounding, and this is just with the single pickup pattern, you should be able to like it for your Zoom calls or for your streaming online. But audio is a really big, important thing when videos or just for people to communicate. It's something that you don't want to neglect, and you want to make that investment, and this is a very affordable solution that's easy to use with easy pickup patterns at the push of a button. There's not much else to not like about this. It's really a great must-have for your home office setup. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Sentry streaming mic by Dark Matter. This, again, is a Monoprice company-based product, and it's something that I really recommend for virtually anybody, especially if you're doing a lot of video or Zoom calls. Something like this is really going to improve the audio quality when people are listening to you. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer. Handy Andy, if you like this review, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the comments with what you think about these audio mics. Which one's your favorite? Let me know. Andy Baryer signing out. See you again next time.